You're the only one. Everyone else is flustered around Vicky in the cafeteria. Tell me something I don't know. Vicky! Or should I say Vexus? Whoa, what's happening? What? Keep me down. Think again, Vexus. So, do I drop? How about a little whipping? Or a little mashing? Some rolling? Soaking? Tenderizing? Sizzling? And last but not least, chilling. Gee, I wonder if they'd be so keen on you if they knew that their queen was 2,000 years old. Yeah, your suit won't look so pretty when it's full of holes. Agent? What the? I guess I need a little more firepower. Sheldon, you totally saved my life. Thank you. That was pretty fancy footwork you did there. And that laser mustache, and that trick you did with the guards. And how you knew where the compound was. Hey, how did you know where the compound was? You knew nothing, jerk. You were flying on me. But I'll rearrange your face so you don't need it fine. I don't know, but here's her squack. Excuse me, but you're made of stone. How can you talk? Look, we're just visitors, okay? We didn't mean any harm. No way! We've never even heard of it. Yeah, the goal's pretty far away, Matt. Okay, this time, no long shots. We need to pass the ball around till we get close enough to the goal to shoot. Let's play. Okay, so I'll coach. Huddle up, team. Matt, you start with the ball. We'll try the old give and go. Jules, you run at an angle toward the left side. Matt, you pass it to Jules, then head to the right side. Jules, you pass it back to Matt, and he'll shoot at the goal. Creech, you run down the left side too. That way, if Jules misses the pass, you can try to catch it. Everyone got it? Great. Let's do it. Go! Matt, who didn't go where I told you to? So this is my fault? I don't think so. If you guys just did what I said, we would have scored. God, we gotta stop arguing. Great. Even you're scared of the freaky robot. Why can't I look like everyone else? Oh, hi, Sheldon. I didn't see you. Guess I'm too preoccupied trying to figure out how to build it. Sheldon, you build all sorts of gadgets and stuff, right? A snorkel like you? So good with his hands? Building a set of robot ears would be a cinch for you. Oh, I see what you mean. Sorry. Rather finally came home from his trip, but there's something strange about him. He seems to be afraid of me for some reason. I hate hypocrites like you. I couldn't wait to rub your cute little nose in the sad truth of what you really are. I knew if I stayed close to Richter, you'd come to me eventually.
Man, what a ride! Where's Inez and Digit? The question is, who needs more help, them or us? No way! Huh? Score once? No problem. Hey guys, this game is just like basketball. I'll dribble around him and slam dunk it. Huh? What happened? Who needs to dribble? I can make it from here. Watch and learn, gang. Whoa! Okay, maybe this won't be so easy. Right. Yes, I did. I went to the right side. That's what you said. God, we gotta stop arguing. Let's just go over the last play and figure out what went wrong. A picture. That's it. Jules, you're a genius. Oh, right. What have you got, Jax? Okay. But that's not exactly how it happened. Jules did go here, and Creech went here, but I didn't go there, Jax. I was here, closer to the iguana. You didn't tell me how far to go, or where to stop. You just said, head to the right side. Make room, I got a pace. Maybe I spoke too soon. All this time it was Taz and his laundry I was allergic to. Nantikuta! Ami! What? Can't you guys take a joke? Apparently not. I'm gonna kick your face like Tushy. Nothing doing. I've got a strict no geeky headgear clause in my contract. Ami's my best friend. I have to save her. Huh? What are you talking about? Joe! Oh no! Now I've sent you 5 seconds into the future! In 1 short week and 2 easy payments of $19.95, you too can learn the basics of ninja. No prob, monkey boy. Wait, I wasn't ready. Do-over. Hey, no fair! You're cheating! This could have been disastrous. Luckily, my keen ninja instincts honed in on it. Ninjas don't snack. They feed off of danger. Now, where am I going to find a sparring partner? You're my best friend, Ami. I could never fight you. I know. Besides, I grow tired of being a ninja. Something elephanty, too. And we're going to find out what. This can only mean one thing. She's leaving the band. Sorry, pal. This is not working out. Come on, let's go drown our sorrows in massive quantities of junk food. I feel like a loser. Let's beat the polka dots out of those clowns. We already have jobs. Being super cool rock star. Besides, I don't know how to do anything else. Who agree?
Are you freaking kidding me? You see that stupid pretty dog? Oh, good, you know. I did. I insult his mother, whatsoever said.
Are you freaking kidding me? Slowly. You can't see that stupid pretty dog. I'm dead. I insult his mother, whatsoever said.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Are you freaking kidding me?